Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic definition ROM and EROM and bus interaction control bus. ROM read only memory. As in observed from this name, the contents stored in this memory can be read, but new data cannot be written into it is so it is read only. The manufacturer of the ROM writes the data and programs primarily into it, and this data and programs cannot be changed afterwards. ROM contains faculty used instruction and data. Another commonly found form of ROM is ROM probable read only memory. This form of ROM is entirely blank, and the user of manufacturer can write data into it by using special devices. Once the program data is written into perform, it can be changed or altered. It is observed can that this kind of ROM will be used for storing user made programs and data, and the data should have a very long lifetime, as the data written into this kind of ROM cannot be changed. Another important form of read only memory is EEPROM, erasable profitable read only memory. Like PROM, it is entirely blank. Programs and data can be written on it by manufacturer or by the used by using special devices. Unlike PROM, the data written on it be erased by using special devices using ultraviolet rays. So data program written on it can be changed, and new data can also be added on this form of ROM. As the data written on this kind of be written into it, but frankly changing data should not to be written on this ROM. Yet another form of ROM is EROM, electrically erasable profitable read only memory. The kind of ROM can be written by using electrical devices, and so data stored on this ROM can be easily modified. It is important to note that all the performs of ROM described above are non-volatile, so the data stored on these chips is not lost when electricity is cut off. Mostly ROM chips are used to store faculty used programs like operating systems retains and data which is not changed for longer periods of time. Bus interaction. We can data a computer consisting of a CPU, main memory and IO unit for data to flow between these components. We need some kind of interconnection, which is another very important component of the overall computer architecture. The components are interconnected by using a set of parallel lines connecting wires. Each of these lines can be used to transfer a sequence of bytes from one component of the computer to the other component. This set of parallel lines is called bus. This kind of a bus is shown in the figure 5.6 below. The kind electrical clock plus control unit, arithmetic logical unit, memory. Generally, a computer has more than one bus interconnection. The bus used to contact the main components of a computer is called the system bus. General purpose computers have a 70 minus 100 line system bus. The system bus is divided into three main categories. Control bus, these lines are used to transmit different components from one computer to the other. For example, if the CPU wants to read data from the main memory, it will use the control bus to send the memory real comport to the main memory of the computer.